For the first time, I have tried the Ampule serums, and guess what? These are from my favorite, the Dermaco. Meet the Dermaco's 15% vitamin C intense brightening Ampule kit. India's first Ampule serums that deliver glowing brighter skin in just 7 days. And this isn't your regular vitamin C serum. It is a highly concentrated and fresh mix formula featuring the most potent form of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid. Since each ampule is sealed individually, there is no oxidation, means maximum efficacy with every use. So what's inside it? Number 1, 15% of ascorbic acid, the most powerful and purest form of vitamin C, known for brightening the skin, reducing the dark spots and fighting dullness. Number 2, ferulic acid. It will enhance the vitamin C's stability, boost its antioxidant properties and help in fight sun damage and premature aging. Number 3, hyaluronic acid. Deeply hydrates, plump up the skin, making it smooth and radiant. Lastly, vitamin E. Works with vitamin C to provide intense protection against free radical and environmental stressor. This powerful combination ensures not only brighten the skin but also intense hydration and long-term skin health. How to use it? You have to just twist and pull the bottom seal. Push the bottom part upwards and shake well. Then you have to break the ampule and attach the applicator, and then you have to use this each ampule in one dose, one every alternate day. Unlike regular serums that oxidize and lose their potency, this ampule kit preserves vitamin C in its purest form, and that will give you faster and more effective results. I have been using this serum since last 7 days and the formula is definitely fresh and powerful. It absorbs quickly and instantly gives my skin a glow, but because it's a high strength vitamin C and if you are a sensitive skin, I recommend that आप इसको अपने मॉइस्चराइजर में मिक्स करके लगा सकते हो, or you can do a sandwich method in which what you do, you will apply a light layer of moisturizer and then you apply the serum and then you again apply the light layer of the moisturizer. That way this will work really well. Secondly, if you have active acne, then I must say that you should avoid using it on your active acne. Once your acnes are down, then you can use this one. Now coming to my personal experience, see, I love the formula that it's very potent and I can see the brightness because I have used it for 7 days, morning and night. And one thing which I have experienced is that the brand suggests कि आपको इस वाइल को एक दिन में लगाना है, like morning and night, and then you are done. But in my opinion, the quantity is really huge here. Like ये इतनी quantity आपकी 2 बार में नहीं ख़त्म होने वाली है because इसकी आपको बहुत कम drops लगती हैं. Like 2 drops on each side of cheeks and 2 drops for the forehead, and that's more than sufficient. And this one vial आराम से will last you for 3 days. So ये एक single vial मेरे लिए 3 दिन तक चली है. Now आप अपने accordingly देख सकते हो. I feel this is a very potent formula. I'm so glad that our Indian brands are also bringing these kind of formulations in the Indian market. Now let's dive into my 7 days live experience with this Ampule serum. होप यू हैव सीन द लाइव क्लिप्स. आई डोंट नो आपको कितना डिफरेंस नजर आया है कितना नहीं, बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, व्हेन आई सी माई सेल्फ पर्सनली इन द मिरर आई कैन सी माई स्किन लुक्स इवन मोर ब्राइटर. स्किन इवन टोन हो गया है. मार्क्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे ह्यूज रिडक्शन 7 डेज में मुझे नहीं दिखी है, बट आई एम श्योर when you will continue this one for 21 days to 30 days you will definitely see reduction in your marks as well. But if you're lacking glow in your skin or you're lacking radiance, then I think this one is a perfect option for you. And अगर आप पे और कोई derivative suit नहीं करते हैं, then this one is really well formulated formula. You can go for this one. बट जो मैंने चीज़ें बताई हैं, इफ़ यू आर सुपर सेंसिटिव स्किन, सैंडविच मेथड यूज़ करना या मिक्स करना, और अगर एक्टिव एक्ने है देन अवॉइड यूजिंग इट. एंड थर्डली पैच टेस्ट ज़रूर करना, तभी इसको पूरे फेस पे अप्लाई करना, बिकॉज डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ दिस वन. दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी पोटेंट फॉर्मूला. ऑलवेज डू अ पैच टेस्ट. एंड येस, इफ यू इंटरेस्टेड टू गेट दिस वन, आई हैव अ स्पेशल कोड फॉर यू विच इज़ भावना 2025 for 20% off only on Dermaco's official website. आप इसको नाइका से भी ले सकते हो, इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन नाइका एज वेल. बट येस, अगर आप इसको साइट से परचेज करते हो तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा 20% ऑफ मिल जाता है और आप इनके मिशन में भी हेल्प कर पाते हो. इनका यंग साइंटिस्ट इनिशिएटिव है जिसमें ये बच्चों को एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं अलॉन्ग विद भूमि, तो आप उसमें भी इनकी हेल्प कर सकते हो. सो आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. Do check it out and I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the bell button so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.